Right. How's it going, everyone? Dr. Dan over here. Just sitting at my desk. We get a lot of questions throughout the day on how one can develop more mindfulness. People come into the office all day long and we teach them rehab exercises. We teach them desk exercises. We work on their aches and their pains and their complaints. And they go back to life. They leave the office. They feel refreshed. But once they get back to their daily life, they've got stress, whether it's family stress, child stress, work stress, general stress from dealing with everything that we have to deal with throughout the day. So these are my top 3 tips for developing mindfulness and tuning into your inner consciousness, your inner body talk is really important. And once you learn how to tap into your mindfulness, you can feel the tension leave your body. You can feel the stress leave your body. And it's very important in your own life that you identify areas of stress and learn how to manage them appropriately. And appropriate management starts with how you breathe. Okay. So tip number 1 for developing mindfulness is learn how to diaphragmatically breathe. You see me do it in every one of our videos. One of the most important exercises that I feel that I can teach any patient is how to develop a good stomach push and pull, which is a strong contraction out of the diaphragm or a pull in with the transverse abdominis and some of the lower oblique muscles, right? So breathing is meant to be done diaphragmatically, where we inhale oxygen through the nose. The oxygen fills the lung cavity up vertically, and the diaphragm pushes the intestinal tract out. Okay, so we have a whole series on how to become a better diaphragmatic breather. I strongly recommend that you look through each of those videos and you practice the steps in conjunction, because what I found is that we have 6 exercises, and once you learn how to maximize those exercises, it improves everything in your life. On the topic of breathing, we talk about the 3-2-6-2 breath. That means a 3-second inhale, a 2-second hold, 1, 2, exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold, 1, 2. Inhale deep and strong, hold, 1, 2, exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold, 1, 2. I personally like the 3-2-6-2 breath because it has been the most powerful to help eliminate stress in my own body. Now, you might find another rep count works good with you. I like to practice my holds a little longer. So we'll get into like a 4-second or a 6-second hold, which really helps to pump the cardiovascular system and promote blood flow throughout the entire body. So step number 1 in developing mindfulness, learn how to control your breath so that when you are working on a computer or reading or doing any kind of like activity, that in your head, you're also thinking about diaphragmatically breathing, abdominally breathing nice and slow to the count of that 3-2-6-2 breath. Step number 2 in developing mindfulness is learn how to feel your posture subconsciously. So throughout the day, we all work on our computers. You know, me, I'm working on patients all day long. A long time ago, before I was mindful, I would leave here and I'd be hunched over and I'd complain about neck pain and elbow pain from overusing my forearm muscles and not having adequate posture as I'm exercising and as I'm working throughout the day. So practice a number of the exercises that we have on our YouTube channel, such as the thoracic extension, the complete flexor stretch, the neck elongation stretches, so that you can learn how to hold your posture in an upright position, which is going to improve the entire health of the body. Your digestive system will improve, your lung function, your cardiovascular function will all improve as you work on better posture, and you'll feel less pain. When you become mindful of your posture, it'll be very easy for you to understand when you have a little bit of neck tension, how you can position yourself to eliminate the tension in the neck, pack it back into your lat and your core, and develop more mindfulness throughout the day. And the third most important step to developing mindfulness and practicing mindfulness is to take time out of your day to be grateful. Super important to be grateful for where it is that you are in your life, to understand the steps that you've had to undergo to get to this point in your life right now. Be grateful for the interactions with the people that you've met, the opportunities that are been presented to you, whether it's in work or exercise life or friendship or family life, anything. Just take a little bit of time throughout the day and think about something that you're grateful for so that you can reassure your body that in this moment, in this day, you are okay. And there are people around you that care for you. There are people in your life that have helped you to achieve certain goals, and have gotten you to be the person that you are today. So step 1, diaphragmatic breathe. Step 2, develop good posture in the cervical spine, the thoracic spine, the lumbar spine. And step 3, emotionally, find something every day to become grateful for. Meditate on it, breathe on it, improve your posture on it. Right now, maybe I'm thinking of my little girl who's 8 months old. I'm incredibly grateful for her health and the beauty that she's presented into our life. And I might just take 30 seconds as I'm doing paperwork, close my eyes, work on my diaphragmatic breathing with good posture, and creating that internal emotional sense of well-being to reduce stress and really just not let the external negativity that we all deal with in our life get into my personal space and eat away at me too much and create those feelings of anger and frustration, so many negative feelings that you're going through. So mindfulness is really important. Breathe well, sit well, think well, and be grateful. My name is Dr. Dan. We'll see you guys on future videos.